You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this type or genus of shrubs or trees, plants. If you want to learn more plant names, Latin scientific names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you from biology. Two different pronunciations, either Grewia, possibly more commonly Grewia, or Grewia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.